Welcome back to ElectroDrive News. Get ready for a high-octane download as we dive headfirst into the biggest stories shaping the future of electric vehicles and tech. First up, Tesla chair Robyn Denholm is putting Elon Musk front and center at the company once again, signaling a renewed focus on ambitious goals. But what does this mean for Tesla's future, its shareholders, and the groundbreaking projects ahead? Then, we're shifting gears to Volkswagen. They're telling their North American EV owners to be a little more patient as they work through technical challenges to unlock access to Tesla's coveted Supercharger network. When will VW drivers finally be able to tap into the best fast charging in North America? Next, we're tracking Tesla's groundbreaking Robotaxi service as it makes major moves in Nevada, securing official approval to test on public roads. This development is already pushing Tesla's stock to new 7-month highs, and we've got all the details on what it means for the future of autonomous rides. And finally, the Nasdaq Composite is hitting fresh record highs, with Tesla playing a staring role in the surge. We'll break down how this is happening, all while the broader U.S. stock market eyes a potential Federal Reserve rate cut. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Elon Musk is back front and center at Tesla, and the company's future is brighter than ever. Tesla chair Robyn Denholm made waves this week, declaring that CEO Elon Musk has fully returned to his pivotal role at the company, following his stint as a U.S. government advisor. Denholm emphasized that having Musk front and center is not just great for him and the company, but a significant win for shareholders, especially as Tesla pursues really ambitious goals. She firmly pushed back against the notion that Musk's personal political activities have negatively impacted demand for Tesla vehicles, asserting that his leadership remains crucial for the company's forward momentum. Denholm believes that long-term success is driven by products people really love, like Tesla vehicles, and the driving experience itself, rather than political discourse. This comes at a critical time as Tesla seeks shareholder approval for a massive new pay package for Musk, which is heavily tied to ambitious operational and market cap milestones, including targets for vehicle production, FSD subscriptions, and even 1 million robots and Robotaxis. Denholm highlighted that this compensation is zero, unless Musk delivers on these challenging objectives, reinforcing the board's confidence in him as the right leader for Tesla's transformative decade ahead, particularly in the rapidly advancing fields of AI and autonomous driving, as outlined in Musk's latest master plan. Meanwhile, Tesla shares are soaring, trading up over 6% and reaching a new 7-month high, further boosted by the Nevada Robotaxi testing permit. Public reaction has been overwhelmingly positive, with investors cheering the renewed focus on Musk's leadership and Tesla's innovative drive. Analysts are watching closely to see how the ambitious compensation plan and AI-driven strategy unfold. Don't go anywhere, because the biggest EV charging news is about to drop. And get ready, because Volkswagen is finally making moves on Tesla Supercharger access. VW owners, your patience is about to pay off. Supercharger access is on the horizon. Volkswagen is urging its North American EV owners to hang in there a little longer, as the German automaker grapples with technical issues delaying their integration into the Tesla Supercharger network. This makes VW the last major automaker to offer its customers access to Tesla's premier fast-charging infrastructure. Tesla first opened its network in 2021, but the rollout has been a slow burn, complicated last year by Elon Musk's decision to disband Tesla's charging team, which later required rehiring some members and contributed to integration delays across the industry. While Porsche and Audi, also part of the Volkswagen Group, recently gained access for their North American EV owners, VW's ID.4 and ID. Buzz models are still waiting. Volkswagen has now cited technical challenges as the reason for the delay, but remains optimistic about delivering access by the end of the year. These challenges are particularly noteworthy given VW's history of software issues, which recently led them to partner with Rivian for software assistance. EV enthusiasts are expressing frustration over the continued delay. while analysts are keen to see how VW overcomes these technical hurdles to provide a seamless charging experience. But before we go, we've got major developments from Tesla that are sending shockwaves through the market. Next up, Tesla's Robotaxi service is hitting the road in Nevada, and the stock is reacting in a big way. Tesla's Robotaxi gets the green light in Nevada, sending shares to a new high. Tesla has officially received approval to begin testing its Robotaxi service on public roads in Nevada, a significant milestone that propelled the company's stock up over 6% on Thursday and continued its upward trajectory into Friday, reaching a new 7-month high of $394 per share. This surge coincides with comments from Tesla chair Robyn Denholm, who reassured investors that Elon Musk is back, front and center, at the automaker, dismissing concerns that his political activities have impacted demand. The Robotaxi service, which has already seen testing and limited operations in Austin and the Bay Area, aims for broader expansion. Tesla has been actively seeking regulatory permissions across several states, including Nevada, Arizona, and Florida, and has even begun requesting approval from California airports. The company plans a public launch later this month, with an ambitious goal of making the service accessible to half the U.S. population by the end of 2025. Tesla has also started offering customers in Texas the option to use Robotaxi for rides to and from the factory for vehicle pickups, signaling a phased integration of the autonomous service. Meanwhile, the stock's performance reflects a strong recovery from earlier lows, with significant gains over the past month and year, despite still being down slightly year-to-date. This regulatory win is generating significant buzz, with Tesla enthusiasts and industry watchers closely following the rollout and potential impact on the ride-hailing market. And speaking of market highs, get ready for the big picture on the Nasdaq. We're diving into how Tesla is powering a record-breaking day on Wall Street. Nasdaq hits a record high, fueled by Tesla's stellar performance amid rate cut hopes. The Nasdaq Composite surged to a fresh record high on Friday, with Tesla's significant gains being a key driver, as traders analyzed cooling inflation data and a softening labor market, increasing expectations for a Federal Reserve rate cut next week. While the S&P 500 held steady and the Dow Jones Industrial Average saw a slight dip, all major indexes were on track for solid weekly gains. The market is largely anticipating a 25 basis point rate cut at the upcoming Fed meeting on September 17th. Recent economic indicators, including a spike in jobless claims and weaker job growth, alongside rising consumer prices, suggest a Fed prepared to ease monetary policy. Consumer sentiment also dipped to its lowest level since May, further supporting the case for lower borrowing costs. Beyond Tesla, other individual stocks like Supermicro and Warner Bros. Discovery also saw notable jumps, while RH experienced a decline after cutting its revenue outlook. All eyes are now on the Fed's meeting next week, with investors eager for commentary from Chair Jerome Powell for signals on future economic policy and market direction. This market movement is generating excitement, with analysts pointing to a strong interplay between tech performance and macroeconomic factors influencing investor confidence. That's all the top stories for today, but we're not done yet. Stick around for a lightning round recap and our full call to action. And that's a wrap on today's ElectroDrive news. We saw Tesla chair Robyn Denholm putting Elon Musk front and center, pushing ambitious goals. Volkswagen is still working through technical glitches to bring Supercharger access to its customers. Tesla's Robotaxi service is officially testing on Nevada roads, boosting its stock. And the Nasdaq hit a new record high, with Tesla leading the charge as the Fed eyes a rate cut. Don't forget to smash that like button if you found this update valuable. Subscribe to ElectroDrive News for all your EV and tech updates, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and follow us on all our social media channels for more exclusive content.